Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another Leetcode easy question that I solved around half a year ago. So last December, it's a good time to review it now. So it looks like I tried it last August actually, so let's do it again. So this one's called minimum absolute difference. So you're given an array of distinct integers and you want to find pairs of elements with a minimum absolute difference of any two elements. So you have two pairs, and just from glancing at this, it looks like you want to find the minimum difference between any two numbers and then just group them together. From ARR has to be less than. So 1 and 3. In ascending order with respect to pairs, and each pair follows these criteria, means that a minus b is the minimum absolute difference, but why is this 1, 3, why is this 6, 10, 5 is not included? Okay. So it looks like what they mean is we have to get the minimum absolute difference and then just include all pairs of different integers that have that difference. Okay, so let's call this smallest is float of infinity. And let's actually sort ARR because now we can just compare with the very next element. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know the smallest is the gap between this and this, this and this, this and this. So then for I in range 1 length of ARR, smallest is equal to the minimum of smallest and absolute difference of ARRI minus I minus 1. So just the current and the previous element. Let's print smallest, so that should give you the smallest difference. Okay, so that's 1 here, that's 2. Okay, cool. So now what we can do is so basically let's go from range 1 to length of ARR minus 1. Let's call this results, and let's say if absolute difference of ARRI minus the previous is equal to the smallest, then we know that that's a valid pair, right? So in that case, I don't know if these are distinct or not. In that case, we can just say result.append ARRI minus 1 and ARRI. And let's print result just to see. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3. So we also need to do the same thing with I minus I plus 1 is equal to smallest, then result.append ARRI comma ARRI plus 1 because it's already sorted. So let's print result. And okay, so as long as, okay, so if this is not already inside of result, then we can append it. Same here, if ARRI minus 1 ARRI is not in result, because we don't want duplicates, right? Okay, so all right, so it looks like we got what we needed. Okay, cool. So now let's just return the result. Okay, so let's submit this. Oh, okay, some edge case there. Okay. Smallest is 33. This minus this, that's really just plus that. That should be it. Okay. So I guess if the length of ARR is less than or equal to 2, then just return ARR as a list, right? Because I guess this plus 1 minus 1 makes a difference. And there you go, passes all test cases. Not the most efficient, but I was able to do it on my own after it's not meant to get rid of that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.